Hey, this is January the 20th, and I'm going to show you, this is my mom's house, and there's been a lot of birds. Oh my God, I saw a whole bunch of birds. Couldn't believe it at my mom's window. So I'm going to put down some, I was going to do the, what you call it? They're not here. They're gone. I couldn't believe it. I saw a bunch of robins. So I'm going to put down some corn chips to feed. That's regular corn chips. Corn chips. Let's see what happened. I come back right at my door. I mean my window. This is my window. I want to put up and it's crunching the corn chips. I'll put up corn chips so the birds will come back and eat. And something. I came to film them, they're gone. Alright. Oh, we missed the birds. They'll be back. Oh well, this is my little house. I think I'll make the garage into a coop. A bird coop. It's not doing anything. I think I'll make that into a bird coop for my pigeons. And it's a big tree. I was gonna cut it down, but I don't think so. And then I have a hollow tree. The hollow tree is tight. And then this big old monster here. It blooms white flowers, beautiful flowers. And this is winter, so. And this is where I want to put my garden. I don't know. I have a garden. I'm gonna have my whole yard into a garden, a memorial garden for my mom. This is it. You see the beginning of a rose garden. Well, it'll be roses, it'll be all kind of winter flowers I'll plant. And that will be the bird coop. Pigeon for the white pigeons. You see the beginning of it? And it's 204 Helen Street. That's where I live. Dr. Abrams for president. All right, going in.